driver right now today.
Mm-hmm.
How did you like the Rivian?
It's awesome. It has amazing acceleration.
Oh yeah.
So this is a Polestar. Is it from Volvo?
Volvo, yes it is.
Okay. And what's the range on this one?
Let's see. I would say so. We did a fact sheet there. So total time to charge.
270 miles.
Yeah.
4.2 seconds 0 to 60. Starting at 49,000 and 56,000 in this particular model. Okay, that's amazing.
Very smooth drive.
Mm-hmm.
This is your first time in the Polestar?
Yes,
Was it your first time in the Rivian?
absolutely. It's VW ID4. How's the driving position? Do you like it? Is it comfortable?
It is. A lot of adjustments on the side.
Okay.
I always need adjustments. I'm very petite, so I need to be able to look over.
Okay.
Okay. Alright, so we're at 0. And then this is me flooring it.
Ooh, it's so silent.
And smooth.
Yeah, very smooth.
So imagine driving this on the highway. It's a fun drive.
Absolutely. Wow. It's kind of soft touch.
The corner is really nice.
Okay, this is a sharp turn. It actually spins the tires. It has so much power.
And since the floor is so glossy, it's hard. But imagine on a road that has the grip. You're gonna,
Yeah.
you know?
Absolutely. This is really amazing. The Polestar from Volvo. I like the interior. Looks premium.
Thank you for riding.
Thank you very much, ma'am.